Why has khalkhalt?
Why?
Hap chqal ilt.
Lut kuta chka ilt. Kuch khwalt. Hap ka ilt.
Lut kuta chqal ilt. Kuch khwalt.
Hast.
Hap chna khalkhail.
Ke kuch en khalkhail. Ke wa. Hap khalkhail.
Ki kuch na khalkhail. Why Nineveh's at wiklemet?
Why Nineveh's at wiklemet?
Why has khalkhalte pes nakseluch? Is quest qoyachen. Ushacha Knxcutens in silkchen nax. Hello, good day, my relatives. My name is Levi Bent, and this is the help tutorial for the N1 book. Today's lesson is 31 states of being. Hohoy, let's get started. Kuan chau chint, repeat after me. Hap am aimt. Hap am aimt. Ki ku tzatzach. Ki ku tzatzach. Lut kutan kasils. Lut kutan kasils. Hap qal ilt. Hap qal ilt. Ki ku khwalt. Ki ku khwalt. Lut kutan khalkhail. Lut kutan khalkhail. Hap quant. Hap quant. Ki ku kwa. Ki ku kwa. Lut kuta ntaltalqain. Lut kuta ntaltalqain. Hapan sul salqan. Hapan sul salqan. Ki kun khasils. Ki kun khasils. Why khas? Otlapnach khoiwe. Atzent a khai splimchen. Hap am aimt. Hap am aimt. Ki ku tzatzach. Ki ku tzatzach. Lut kuta nkskasils. Lut kuta nkskasils. Hap qal ilt. Hap qal ilt. Ki ku khwalt. Ki ku khwalt. Lut kuta khalkhail. Lut kuta khalkhail. Hap quen quant. Hap quen quant. Ki ku qua qua. Ki ku qua qua. Lut KNSCUTENS qain. Lut KNSCUTENS qain. Happen sul salqan. Happen sul salqan. Ki kun khasils. Ki kun khasils. Tali khastis chkolam pepes nakselu. Tali limtem tlamen. I'm very happy for you and grateful for you all. Awesome work. Knxcutens. I'm going to help you guys out a little bit. In this lesson 31, we've made it all the way to the plural pronoun markers. So the question is, you folks, hap am aimt. Are you folks angry? When it's a singular, you'll notice the word changes. When it's singular, it's aimt. Plural, am aimt. Some words change, some words don't. You just have to memorize the ones that do and don't. Like hualt, healthy or alive, does not reduplicate like the other words. So the answer for me and you makes ku, we. So here are the hand gestures for the lessons you've learned. Hap am aimt. Are you folks angry? Ki, ku, am aimt. Yes, we are angry. And if I were to do it singular, I would do it like this. Ha aimt. Are you mad? The answer would be ki, kin aimt. So you see how the word changes. Our language is like that. So get familiar with the reduplications and learn the new pronoun markers for the plural form. Keep on at it. Tali khastis chkolamp ot ninuis et wiklmen. Right?